students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Today let us start a new lesson from your Moment textbook. Name of the lesson is In the Kingdom of Fools. It is a Kannada folk tale and it is written by A.K. Ramanujan. Before we start our lesson, let's have a small introduction about the lesson. It is believed that fools are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. It is believed that fools are so dangerous. Fools are dangerous because they don't have their own knowledge and they don't have common sense. At the same time, they are not ready to listen the words of wise people. That's why they are very dangerous. They give trouble to other people. But very wise people, they can control them. They can manage them. That's why only very wise people can manage these fools. Who are fools in this story? What happens to them? Then who are fools in this story? What happens to them? Those things we are going to say in this particular lesson. See here. In the kingdom of fools, both the king and minister were idiots. They didn't want to run the things like other kings. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. See, in the kingdom of fools, both king and minister were idiots. Okay, usually minister is wise person compared to king always. But here in this story, we see both king and minister were idiots. Idiots mean they were fools. They didn't want to run things like other kings. They did not want to run the things like other kings. How other kings were ruling their kingdom. Like that, these king and minister did not want to rule. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. That's why they decided to change night into day and day into night. They ordered that everyone should be awake at night till their fields and run their businesses only after dark. They ordered that everyone should be awake at night and they have to till their fields and run their businesses only after dark. In the night time, they have to do their business work, they have to do their work in the field and go to bed as soon as the sun came up. And they have to go to bed as soon as sun came up. See here, night time they have to do the work, morning time they have to sleep. Like this, they ordered. Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. And also they ordered that anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. Who would go against the king's order would be punished with death. The people did as they are told for fear of death. Yes, people did as they are told for fear of death. For the fear of death, the king would kill them if they not followed the order of king. That's why they started to obey the words of king. The king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. People started to obey the order of king. Then these people, king and minister, became very delighted, became very happy at the success of their project. By seeing their success in that new project, project means new plan, they became very happy. One day, a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. One day, a guru, master, and his disciple, student or pupil, arrived in the city. It was a beautiful city. It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. Yeah, that city was very beautiful. It was broad daylight. That was daylight, but there was no one about. They could not see any person. Everyone was asleep, not a mouse stirring. Everyone was asleep in the daytime and not a mouse stirring. Stirring means moving. Okay. Even mouse was also not moving. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by the day. Even the cattle means domestic animals like cow, ox, sheep, horse, some other animals. Okay. Even cattle had been taught to sleep by day. Animals were also sleeping daytime. The two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. Yes, the two strangers, this guru and disciple, were amazed, they were surprised by what they saw around them. What they saw by those things, this guru and disciple amazed and wandered about town till evening. And they wandered about the town till the evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. In the night time, all of a sudden, people woke up and they started to do their nightly business. They started to do their works. Like this, very strange thing they had seen in that kingdom. Okay. They had never seen such strange thing anywhere. For the first time, they were seeing this kind of very unusual thing. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.